Hey guys, this is Vibhav and you're watching Vibstech. So Apple has announced 3 new iPhones, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. But I think iPhone 11 seem really good for the price because iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max cost about 40 to 50% more than the iPhone 11, and iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max is just 10 to 15% better than this phone. And I believe there will be some cashback up to 10,000 rupees if you pre-order the phone. So at the price of rupees 55 to 56,000 rupees, this is definitely a good deal for a latest iPhone. But if you're not getting this deal, Apple has reduced the price of old models, and now after price cut, iPhone XR is coming at 49,000 rupees, and that is also a good deal. Last year, iPhone XR has become the #1 selling smartphone in the world, and iPhone 11 is the successor of iPhone XR. Let's talk about iPhone 11 design and build quality. The design and material will be almost similar to the iPhone XR because here you are getting the same glass and aluminium design, and aluminium is better than the steel in some cases because it won't get scratches easily. At the front you get Liquid Retina display, which is an LCD display. Apple call it as Liquid Retina display, but it's a LCD panel, and its pixel density is 326 ppi. This is 6.1 inch display, and yes, this is not 720p display, but the actual pixel resolution is 828 pixels per inch. You get a stereo effect sound. Below you get two grills, one is for microphone and the other one is a speaker. Left side you will see volume rocker and silent switch, which you saw in previous iPhones. At the right side you get power button and single SIM tray, and it also has eSIM support for dual SIM. If we talk about colors, you get different colors than iPhone XR, but you have different choices now. One thing you will notice, now the Apple logo has shifted to the center of the phone, which used to be little up on the previous models. But the back side you will see the major change, which is camera setup. Another thing which is improved in iPhone 11 compared to iPhone XR, that is IP certification. In iPhone XR you get IP67, but iPhone 11 is IP68 certified. Though IP68 claims to survive in water up to 2 meters for 30 minutes, but don't submerge your phone into water because Apple does not cover water damage in warranty. It comes with most powerful chipset in any smartphone, Apple's A13 Bionic chip, and its performance is very good. Even Apple's previous chip A12 was faster than a Snapdragon 855, and now A13 is far better than any other processor in the smartphone world, and you can see the graph. It is based on 7nm technology. This chipset is energy efficient along with the best performance. Battery life on iPhone 11 will be better than the iPhone XR, as in the event they said it will have 1 hour extra battery life compared to XR. And XR is already the best battery life phone in any iPhone series. Now the most important improvement is the camera. One, you get regular camera, which is 12 megapixel, and the other camera is ultra wide angle lens 12 megapixel camera. So you'll be able to take better picture and capture more with better field of view. In iPhone XR, portrait mode was working only on human portraits, but now with iPhone 11 you'll be able to take portrait shots on any objects like pets or other non-living things. This camera is capable of video recording at 4K 24 fps, 30 fps and 60 fps, and Full HD at 30 fps and 60 fps, plus 1080p 240 fps slow motion recording. This camera has some new features like quick take, so you can long press the shutter button for video recording. Front camera is also upgraded from 7 megapixel to 12 megapixel. In the box you get iPhone 11 with iOS 13, earpods with lightning connector, charger and some documentation. I hope you have liked this video. If you did, please press the like button. Also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So every time I upload a new video you will be notified, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.